How many of you had once give up the idea of learning any skill? Type it down as in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you, Parin. Thank you, Gautami, Kritika. Thank you all. That's great. Okay. And how many of you sometimes stuck and not knowing how to begin your creative journey? Type it down, see in the chat box. Thank you, Maithil, Vikas, Parheen, Praveen, Reena ji. Thank you very much. Thank you all. First of all, I would like to thank you all for being here to listen to my journey. And thank you, CI community, and especially Ketan sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to showcase my design skills here. Hello, everyone. I am Jyoti, a diamond member of CI community. I am from Hyderabad. I am an advocate by profession. Before coming to CI, like there's no knowledge of designing skills completely, no idea what is design. And also I had a belief that designing is not for me. It's not my cup of tea. And also there's no idea where and how I learn and where do I use it. Even though if I learn, where do I use it? I don't have any idea. So, and also eventually, like, it just slipped off. Like, I just didn't have an idea. Actually, I gave up the idea of learning this. Then one day I started CI committee. Actually, I joined this community with the intention of improving communication skills. The first intention was improving communication skills. And I started with the foundational journey. Me and my daughter both started at the same time. Then the journey starts. That's the turning point of this journey. And I had a chance to connect with 170 one-to-one connections with amazing people, 170 amazing people in this journey. Being this part of this community, the and also learned in the communication, like how to do the public communication. So there are 700 plus impact on public speaking, and where I was not a social media person at all. I never been in the social media. Never. I just like, okay, Instagram. Yes, there is Instagram. And LinkedIn, okay. LinkedIn, not for me because I'm not going to find any job or something like that. So I did not use that. And YouTube, forget about it. I don't know what is YouTube, but just for only watching movies. So, this was my previous mindset of this social media. But after coming to CI and going through this journey, I came to know that there is a lot of things that I can use this social media for our personal growth also. And also, like we can build a personal brand. That's how I started giving in the live in Instagram, and also I upgraded my profile in LinkedIn, and also started YouTube channels and be a part of this journey. Then I have achieved these awards. And what is the next step? Then I was like confused, like, what to do next? What is the next step? Then I was asking Suraksha ma'am someday, like, ma'am, what is the next step? I'm done the foundation. What is this? And she directed me like, okay, if you want to know, if you want to go to the next step, then she said, okay, you can start with your success ready journey. Then I started at that time. Wow, this is another turning point for me. Because how many of you know, like, we have to get up early in the morning. We have to take 8 glasses of water every day, and we have to take exercise every day. Everything we know, but we never do it. But after in this program, we got us like scrutinized everything. Everything is planned in such a way, like, just can't say no. Like, just the lifestyle completely changes in this step. And also in this step, we can make our vessel expansion. Then we will be ready for the skill champion. So during this success ready journey, then I have gone through these steps. First step of the clarity, next step is the creation, and the next is communication, and the next step, fourth step is contribution, and the final one is cash flow. And what is the reward? And once I completed this success ready and I got this wonderful goodies. So wonderful, no? Yeah, I really loved it. So yes, now now the vessel is expanded, right? Okay, now what you are going to fill in that vessel? Now is a step-by-step journey, right? The next step is skill champion. So I chose it designing skills where I never thought about it. Actually, I was watching other diamond members are achieving step-by-step journey and they are becoming so many designing skills, amazing skills I have see it in their presentations. Wow, this can be done. Let's try it. Like, just why not me? Even though I'm not a creative person, but let's try at least. So let's start it. And then one by one star, one after another, like all 5 weeks done. I can't even imagine how did it done. Like it was so amazing journey. Like wow, really, I can do so much creation. Wow, really, I was amazed of myself. Like I was surprised. Okay, I can do so many designs. Wow, now I feel like see. These are my works here. I made so many logos. Even this screen does not fit another logo. There are so many logos are here. Some of the best one I kept it here. So and I have so many other logos also. Wonderful, beautiful logos I made. And the next one is super. I mean speaker profile. I created my speaker profile and I created the pamphlets and mock-ups, book mock-ups, and the upcoming book. My upcoming book mock-up is here, the learning mindset. And also I launched the course. Like for that also I made a mock-up for my course launch. And listicles and banners and three-fold brochures, one after another. And yes, this is Standy. Really, I love this project. Actually, while I was doing this, I was feeling so amazing. Okay. Really, I love this project. And after that, carousels, listicles, thumbnails, lead magnets, and even I designed my masterclass in accounting. Next comes to this cheat sheet. I just made a cheat sheet. I was it's really beautiful, right? Like whatever, I just put my knowledge in there in my accounting. And also I made a lot of flow charts and English conversation cheat sheets. And this the business card. Look at the beautiful business card I made in Adobe Illustrator. This was wonderful feeling also. And this is the my brand guidelines. Like what are the fonts that I use, what are the colors, and what all these brand guidelines. And this is the amazing part again. And after that, I feel like it's not only like the designing is like one day by day, I'm learning so many things, so many new things in this fast paced world, like this. Now it is an AI world, right? So I was just thinking, okay, I'm doing all these designs. Who is going to see, and how is that going to match with the AI? And then that next project came in the AI tools, using the AI tools. I have to create the project. Wow, this one is also another wonderful things. Really enjoyed it. And this I have done in the Adobe Illustrator. This one, the cartoon and the flow charts. And really every day I was trying different tools and exploring the designing. So this is how I had my journey. And through this journey, actually, I just want, before I go to the lessons, I just wanted to say big thanks to Anaha Mulani. She was giving the directions like how to do the projects and what the tools that we can use. And she is also artist and one of the diamond member here. Yeah, and the lessons I have learned throughout this journey is every skill is learnable, and this trust yourself, mentor, and the process. And the third one is always ready to learn and keep updating yourself and love what you do and do what you love. Thank you very much.